wellness health coaching. Yes, I'm back in my office. I did apparently like a little shopping spree a couple weeks ago and ordered most things online. Everything has come in now and I found some really great stuff, and so I wanted to share it with you. So I've had a Stitch Fix review, I've had a Walmart review, and a Lululemon versus Athleta Skort review. This video is athletic tanks because I thought, you know what? Just in case somebody else is interested in the same types of things that I am, I want to show you how these different items fit. I have low end like Walmart, I have mid-range Amazon, and I have high-end Lululemon. So I just wanted to show you those. And I have one more video coming. I have some spring dresses. So there were 2 dresses in my Walmart video, a long one that's like this beautiful peacock green color, and a short casual t-shirt dress, kind of elevated t-shirt dress in a really pretty coral. So I'm not going to show you those again. Go back and watch that Walmart video to see those. They're at the very beginning of the video. But I have several more from Amazon. Actually, I have 3 of essentially the same dress, just different colors and different sizes. But I thought I'd go ahead and show them to you before I send back my rejects to explain the fit, because it's a great dress. I think it's on trend, and I think that you might like it. So I wanted to show those to you. And then also one more from Old Navy. That's super cute. So this is a workout tank review, and then we'll have the dresses, and then I'll be done with clothes for a while, and I'll get back in the kitchen and make you something yummy. So stay tuned for a workout tank review. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and get to the punchline and tell you this one is my favorite. This is an Amazon tank. You know, Amazon clothing prices change from day to day. I just have my jeans on and my socks and my Birkenstocks, so I'm looking real cute here, but I'm just showing you the tanks. This one's from Amazon. What was I saying? You know, one day you might go on and something is $6 and the next day it's $9 and then it's $4. The prices are all over the place. This one is like 18 to 20. I'm sure different sizes, different colors, and then different days will yield different prices, but it's in that $18 to $20 range. This is a size small. I thought this was the same as a tank I had purchased a couple years ago that was too big, and I ended up altering it a little bit. So I ordered an extra small to start with, and I'll show you that one. But it was too small, and it is different, in fact. But I love this tank. It's everything I want. It's the right amount of looseness. I want these for actually working out and casually wearing in the summer. So I kind of want multiple things. And I'm sorry I did not put a sports bra on. I just have a regular one on. But even just a regular racer back bra would work with this tank. Some of them you'll really want to wear a sports bra underneath. But anyway, for me, I'm almost 5'3". I like the length of this one. I could leave it out, or if I wore a cute little skirt or something, I might do a front tuck and it would work fine for that. It's that typical workout material. I can tell you what it is. It's probably polyester and spandex. Polyester and spandex. Here's the back. I'll show it to you up close. See, I'll walk backwards without falling. It has this little like pleat and kind of a mesh right here. This is not elastic, but it feels a little bit elasticy. But what I love about that is, look, I can lean forward and it is not showing all my business. I really just love the fit of it. It fits nicely under the arms. It fits nicely here. I love it. This color is okay. It's sort of like it looks like it's a burnout, but it's not. It's just the pink and white kind of design. And I think I'm going to order some others. You know, you have to be careful again with the clothing items from Amazon, that you might think that if you buy this in the same size but a different color, it will be exactly the same, and that may not be the case. But I figure it's worth a try. I just really, really love this one. And again, this is a size small. I'm going to show you the extra small. This is also a different color. It's that same with like the white mixed in. It's not burnout. It just kind of has that look to it. But you can see I'm wearing black jeans. It is a little more sheer than the other one, but I mean, I don't think it's see-through. This is the extra small. It's just a little bit tighter under my arms. It's not tight, but I can feel it on me. And it doesn't quite lay right in the back. So I don't know if that's the way this one is sewn or if it's just that it's a little bit too small. But regardless, you can see this color, this light pink color, and I'll link these exact ones so you'll know the exact colors that I have. But this is how the extra small fits. It's a little bit shorter. It's just a little bit smaller overall. I'm usually a size 4 or a 6, and the small in this one was better. Okay, let me show you the Lululemon. I wanted to tell you this too. Those tank tops, the dark one came with this little thing attached to it and has a little hairband in. The light pink one didn't have it, but the dark one did. I thought that was nice. Thank you very much from the manufacturer. Okay, this is the Lululemon Love Tank. This is a size 6, and it is $38. And its material content is not listed here. It's probably on that tag at the neck. I'll give it to you in a second. So without messing with it or anything, just putting it on, this is how it fits. So you know what I want based on that very first one, the dark pink one. I want to not be showing my cleavage. I just prefer to be modest in that way. I know some people like to show more. I just don't. So that's the perspective I'm coming from. This one is okay, but it's real close on the edge. Now when I lean over, it does stay tight enough, but I really prefer the fit of the other one. I do like the way this one is a little bit more skimming of the body. Here's the back, typical, just racerback style. It's a nice, sorry, the tag was sticking out. It's a nice material. It feels more cottony. It's softer. It doesn't have that complete like athletic work feel. It's stretchy. This is a nice tank, and actually $38 is not a bad price. It's comparable to a like an Athleta or Zella, which is a Nordstrom brand that I like a lot. I just don't think, I think this is a little bit lower than what I want, and because I have an alternative that I like better, I think I'll return this one. But it is a nice one. It came in a lot of colors. And if you watched my Skort review, Athleta versus Lululemon, you'll see that I have a hard trouble with sizing with Lululemon. I feel like I've always had to size up. And so I really debated what size to go with on this tank. And the 6 was a good choice. It's a good fit. Like, I don't like my workout tanks to be super fitted, except for when I do karate. I always wear a tight one under my gi for karate because I just don't want extra bulk. But otherwise, when just my tank is showing, I prefer a little bit of a looser fit. So this is the 6 on me. Okay, I have 2 more. Actually, you know what? These I showed in my Walmart, so I'm not going to try them on again. I'll just encourage you to go watch that Walmart review. This is Avia, and it is, you can tell I was looking for a pink tank. It has a little bit of a different design down the middle of it. This is a really nice fit. It's loose. It's that nice polyester spandex workout material. It's $9, but it's a muscle tank. So if you like that style, this one is great. It's not too low under the arms. I don't care for that muscle tank style on me, but it's such a great top. I wanted to show it to you. And then this one is another one from Walmart. This is their Athletic Works brand, and it is more cottony feeling. It's still polyester and spandex, but it feels more like cotton, like this Lululemon one. This is just a lot thinner, but for $6. And it's, I mean, you can see it does have some sheerness to it, but this will be a really great one for working out. So for this price, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. It's a little too long. It's a little long on me. But if you want to see these on, go back and watch that Walmart video. Okay, so again, just to review, the winner for me was this Amazon tank in the size small from a brand that I can't pronounce. It is made in China, and it's around $18. So I'll link this below. I love this hot pink color, but it came in lots and lots of colors. Came with a little hair tie. See, it has like this fishnet in the back, So you just want to be careful not to snag that on things. But this was just the perfect fit for me. I love the way it fit across the neckline. So I hope you found a workout tank that you will enjoy from this little short review today. If there are other things like this you'd like to see me review, I'm happy to do it. It's kind of fun for me. But you know, I really love cooking. That's my passion. So I will be back in the kitchen real soon and hope to see you there. Bye.